Chairman. Anyway, this is just for the record. There was a clamor during the public hearing, more particularly with regard to the environmental fee. While the stakeholders, the quarry operators, were asking that it be lowered to 10 pesos, in the amended ordinance, it stays at 15 pesos, Mr. Chair. So this is not an objection to the proposal by the author or the proponent. I just want to put it on record that when it was being discussed, I was amenable to lowering it down. But I submit it to the sound discretion of this honorable body to decide on the matter, because this is a collective effort by all those who attended, by the members who are now here, and it will be a collective vote by the members of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan, Mr. Chairman. Thank you very much.
Mr. Chair, also to put on record, just to clarify, there were only 3 persons who actually asked for the 10 pesos, while the rest were amenable to the 15 peso increase. 15 peso environmental fees.
And also, just to clarify, even though we are increasing, we're adding environmental fee of 15 pesos, we are still the lowest aggregates fee in the entire region, right?
Yes, Mr. Chair. If combined altogether with our 10% increase in the extraction fees, plus the additional environmental fees, we're still the lowest. In fact, taking into consideration, for example, places like Pangasinan, which even the quarry operators said themselves, it's 100 pesos per cubic meter plus. While ours will end at less than 40 pesos, Mr. Chair.
Any other questions addressed to our sponsor? No more questions? Last call? What is now committee amendments?
For committee amendments, Mr. Chair, I move that the amendments indicated in the amended copy given to this august body and the following amendments be included. For Section 7, effectivity, this ordinance, it will be replaced with this ordinance shall take effect immediately upon the completion of the reglementary period provided under RA 7160 instead of 60 days, Mr. Chair. And then, I also move that the presiding officer and all those who vote in favor be the sponsors of this measure. And all the amendments in this copy be subject to style, Mr. Chair.
Are there any objections to the amendments of Honorable Hanson Chua? There being none, the motion is carried. Any individual amendments? No individual amendments. What is now the pleasure of Honorable Hanson Chua?
Mr. Chairman, I now move that draft provincial ordinance number 2025-10-019, an ordinance amending section 54 and 55 of provincial ordinance number 2020-001, or the revised revenue code of the province of Ilocos Norte to rationalize the tax rates of quarry resources and application fees and establish an environmental management fee and fund be approved on second reading.
Any second to the motion? Seconded. It has been moved and seconded. The draft provincial resolution number ordinance number 2025-10-019 be approved on second reading.